I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Verify you have server IP, port, credentials, and the config file. Open your client app, import the config file, or create a new profile using the server IP and chosen protocol. Enter username and password when prompted, and save the profile. Once done, run a quick DNS leak test or check your visible IP to confirm the tunnel attempts to form. Make sure your firewall allows the chosen port before proceeding to deeper configuration. Now you'll fine-tune the connection. Open advanced settings and pick cipher, handshake, and compression according to your needs. Higher encryption increases privacy, but can reduce speed. Configure DNS to use the VPN provider's servers and enable the kill switch so traffic stops if the VPN drops. Decide between full tunnel and split tunnel. Full sends all traffic through VPN, split only selected apps. Once configured, test with a geo-restricted website and inspect logs if the connection fails to authenticate. Finish by connecting and verifying changes. Check your public IP, run a DNS leak test, and browse a site to confirm location. If the VPN won't connect, review client logs for authentication errors, then ping the server IP to confirm reachability. Make sure ports are open and the certificate or key files match the config. As a quick fix, restart the client, reload the config, or reinstall certificates. If problems persist, toggle protocol. WireGuard or IKEv2 can bypass common handshake failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.